How's it going, everyone? Now, before I get to the exhaust clips, I want to let you guys know that one, it's cold as shit right now, but two, I will finally be getting the car worked on, looked at, and be put on a dyno. So in a couple weeks, I scheduled an appointment with this local tuning shop that they do up rev. They have done a few Nissans and Infinitis. I think they've mostly done some 370Zs, but nonetheless they do have experience in up rev. So I scheduled an appointment with them, and the goal and the plan for this is mostly to have them look at the car, because as you guys know, I've been having O2 sensor issues for the past like 2 years now, the upstream O2 sensors. And before you guys like recommend doing this and that, I've already gone down the list. I've replaced half the stuff, I've checked everything, rechecked, changed out parts, I've done it all, and it still isn't fixed. So being that the tuning on the car isn't done yet, I'm thinking it's just something in the map at some point is causing it, you know, just to go off. It could be the rear O2 sensors. I'm gonna have them tune those out. I have heard the rear O2 sensors can cause the upstream ones to go off, so I'm gonna have them tune those out so they won't be in use anymore, and then just kind of go from there. But I'm gonna actually take it to a place now, put it on the dyno. The guy will be there with the computer live looking at everything. I'm really hoping it gets fixed this time, and if it doesn't get fixed that day, it'll be on the dyno. I hope they could still finish the tune to make it a little more, I wouldn't say better, but maybe more, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't think of the word I'm looking for, but I think you guys know what I mean. Because my gas mileage sucks right now because it's O2 sensors, so maybe they could do little changes here and there to kind of balance it out, to make it a little better. But they could tell me, hey, like, you do have a leak here, or try this, try that, you know, have a professional opinion on it. Because I did take it to a shop before. They thought it was possibly the injectors, because the injectors were testing low, so I replaced all those out for R35 injectors, but the code's still on, so obviously it didn't work. But maybe they could tell me and pinpoint what it is. Before I take it to the shop over these next couple weeks, I'll slowly go over everything to make sure it's all nice, all tight. I don't see any leaks, I don't hear any leaks, but you know, I'll spray shit, you know, carb cleaner, whatever. I'll spray stuff around, tying things down. Spark plugs don't need to be changed because those are still new. Don't need to do the oil. I got the new proper size rear tire, so I'm good on that. It's really just, I'm going to check over the whole system, check over everything, make sure it's all good. At least I think it's good. We'll go from there. So if anything, the car will go on the dyno. I will be content. Maybe I could finally put out some numbers, tell you guys what it makes, what it does. I don't know. It'll be interesting, because even with if the O2 sensor issue doesn't get fixed and I do get numbers, I don't know if I will share them or post them, just because the engine isn't 100. The engine won't be 100%, so those numbers won't be 100%. And the last time I did that, I put the car on the dyno when it was having problems, posted the numbers, I got shit on. So I don't know if I'll do it again. We'll see. So enough talking, now for the sound clips. Since you'll be listening to the exhaust clips, I'll end it right now. So I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know in the comments if you do have any possible suggestions, something else that I don't know, that I haven't checked. I'm sure there could be something. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.